We have a issue of landslides during rains, okay, or cattle runovers during train operations. Now you want to improve ensure that this kind of disruption does not happen in your train runs. Okay, so what do you do? What do you need to improve? You need to improve the service alerts for the disruption so that the recovery procedure can start as soon as possible. As soon as the landslide happens, there should be an event which is generated and given to the nearest station, which can provide the recovery procedures to the landslide area or cattle runover areas. Okay? So what you want to improve is event management procedure. Okay? You understand this case? Okay? For that, now what you are going to do? How will you map it to ITL? The concept of DIKW, data, information, knowledge and wisdom. Okay? What data you collected? Landslides and cattle runovers. When the landslides are happening in rains, at what places it is happening? Hilly areas or near the tunnels most of the time. Because of the blasting which has done, the land has become loose or the soil has become loose for the tunnels. Okay? So you know now data, information, knowledge and wisdom. You will take it as a baseline measurements. Okay? What are the baseline measurements you look at? CSF and KPI, critical success factors and KPIs. Okay? What are the critical success factors here? There should not be landslide in the rains near the tunnels. Okay? Right? So baseline measurement, how many landslides happened during the rains last year? Say 15 in month of July. Now you want to improve. Okay? So what you will do? You will initiate a service improvement plan and a CSI approach will be implemented. What is the CSI approach we discussed? What is the vision? Yeah, where are we currently? Where do you want to be? How do you achieve it? And how to keep the momentum going. Okay? And then you will have a improved baseline or improved measurements. And that is how it will be registered into your CSI register. And you will have a PDCA cycle which will be initiated. Plan, do, check, act. You understand this? Okay? Good.